I lived in Jupiter for 20 years, and my wife and I have a variety of doctors, and there's not a doctor's office that is anywhere near as efficient as this office here in Jupiter. And it's a pleasure to come here. All the staff is great. When they call for medicines, I get it within 2 hours. When I call them and ask them a question, I don't have to wait the next day to get the answer. I get an answer within the hour. If anybody's looking for a doctor, this is the place to be.